few cotton balls, some water, a bowl, and a glass, tall one. You put it in the bowl so it doesn't spill, and a cup. We put holes with the push pin. And guys, this is very sharp, so don't do it by yourself. Please call a parent to use this. But I am using this by myself because I am very, very, very careful. And this is too small, so see. So we took some Scotch tape and we are going to tape it like this. Guys, these are cotton balls, and pretend these are clouds. And when the water comes from the ground or the grass or the sea, whatever, when it gets hot, the water gets up and the clouds get full. Then they kind of explode with water, and the water comes down. And when there's too much water and the clouds get too much full, the water explodes out like a big punch of water. Okay, let's pour the water carefully. Guys, look at the rain! Oh, it stopped now. Stopped. But it's okay. We don't want it to. It doesn't have to stop. Where all the rain's going? I love water. I just want to drink this water I'm pouring right now. I don't drink the rain. I don't want to drink the pretend rain. Wow. Whoa. So cool. Okay, let's take this cup. Ugh, too hard. Too hard. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Let's take this and all our water is here. See? There's more water in our cloud, pretend cloud. Let's squeeze our pretend cloud and put our pretend cloud away. Same thing we do with the other one. You just get it and squeeze it so we get as much as water we have. I made it small. Guys, pretend fishing. And guys, did you notice when I poured a little bit water, the clouds, it wasn't raining, but when I poured more water, it started raining because the clouds got full and the clouds started to explode. So that's how it started raining like this. Okay, let's do that again with cotton balls. Okay, let's take them and put the cup under water and bring it up, and it starts to rain. you another experiment. Guys, now I'm going to do my second experiment. Guys, as you see here is just a plastic bottle. It is clear, kind of wet, I know. You can see it's empty. Hello. And here is a balloon. It's empty. And blue is my favorite color. Okay, now I'm going to put this balloon on. Yeah. Papa, can you help me? Guys, here it is. Woo-hoo. It's empty. Hello, bye. Please. Now I'm going to do my magic. Now I'm going to take this and put it in here. What's happening? See what happens. I was getting up. It worked. Woo! Look at that. Now I'm going to put it in here and see what's good. I'm still not getting down. Oh, it's getting wrinkly. Oh, it's melting. He gets up. I'm going to dip it in here. It's getting wrinkly. Oh. Okay, I'm going to take it and put it slowly down in here. Yeah? I can't squeeze it back in. Okay, I'm going to wait some more. It's like something. Let's just take it. It's starting to get wrinkly. Okay, it got down. Get up, please. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get back up. Okay, guys. Okay, now this. We're going to get up. Damn. Now let's take it. Put it over to the side. And wait. Guys, do you want to know the secret behind this magic? Guys, actually I didn't do any magic. I was just kidding. This is just water and this is very hot water. Inside the bottle is cold. Cold. Not freezing. So it's cold water. Nothing's happened. I can put it into the hot water and let's watch it get up. Now the cold air is hot and the hot air, because it's hot air, is going up to the balloon and blowing up the balloon. So now I'm going to take it out from the hot water, put it into the cold water. And the hot air is going to get cold. So the balloon goes down. As the hot air goes down. yourself. So guys, this is hot water, and be very careful because it is very, very hot, like a trillion or trillion, something like that. That's how hot this water is. I don't know how hot. Okay, never mind about the trillion, that part. When you're doing this experiment, please get a parent to get the hot water and ask your parent to stay beside you until you finish this experiment. Kids, don't get the hot water by yourself. Ask a parent to get the hot water. And also don't turn on the stove by yourself. Please ask a parent to turn on the stove. I hope you enjoyed both of my experiments. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye! Balloon bye, hot water bye, cold water bye. Bye 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 to the sky.